Hello, my name is Haley Barron, and today I'm going to be talking about the synovial joints of a chicken wing. First, I'm going to begin by showing you the actual bones of the synovial joint. So right here, we're going to have the humerus. The upper portion, we're going to have the radius. And on the lower bottom portion, we will have the ulna. To begin the actual pointing out the synovial joints, the part of this joint that's going to be continuous with the periosteum will be the articular capsule. This is what is going to help join the bones. It can be this portion right here. And to get a better view of the rest of the joints, have a more opened dissection. Just below the articular capsule, we're going to have our synovial membrane. This is going to line the cavities of the joints. It's going to be right here. Portion. This is also going to be what produces our synovial fluid. Our synovial fluid is going to be lining the inner portions of the cavities, and it's going to help lubricate the joints. Another portion of the synovial joints will be our articular cartilage. Our articular cartilage is going to help reduce the friction that occurs in between the joints. So, outer portion is our articular capsule. Just below it will be our synovial membrane. Right here. Inner portion, synovial fluid, and then our articular cartilage lining the joints. So a disease that can affect the joints of the synovial joints would be rheumatoid arthritis. This is going to be a chronic systemic inflammatory disease. It's really going to be affecting the synovial joints because due to inflammation, we're going to have an increase of synovial fluid. This is also going to create a inflammation of the synovium because a dense fibrous tissue is going to occur around the synovium. And over time, individuals may just have difficulty lifting heavy objects, feeling pain when they're doing just small movements. But over time, this inflammation in the dense fibrous tissue is going to cause a fusion of the bones and also rubbing of the bones, creating more inflammation and more friction. So individuals will tend to experience more pain with this. So again, our synovial joints, something would be affecting it would be rheumatoid arthritis. This is slow, and then eventually individuals are going to experience pain over time just because of the increase of synovial fluid, the dense fibrous tissue occurring in the synovium cause inflammation, buildup of fluid, and friction of the bones rubbing together. Thank you.